Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about interface. Let's see what is interface. Interface allow you to specify what method a class should implement. So it will help you to understand what kind of method you need to implement in your particular program. Okay. So in PHP, the most important thing we are going to study is interface versus abstract class. Okay. So here I am going to provide you few example for that. Fine. So interface make it easy to use a variety of different classes in the same ways. When one or more class use the same interface, it is known as a polymorphism. Okay. So as you studied this, it will specify what method a class should implement. So it will help you to understand with the help of that. So first, let me give you the name. I have given the interface name here. Here, the interface name is animal as I have given. Then I am going to write some function. So make sound is the function name I have created. Fine. After that, I will write one more function. Okay. So I will first let me try it with the single function. Now I have created one class. That is the name of the class is cat. That is implements by animal. So that is what interface called. So it is also going to work as a what a class that implements an interface must implement all the interface method. Okay. So to implement an interface, a class must require implement keyword. Okay. After that, I have mentioned the same thing here, but inside that I am going to write what I need to print. So I'm going to write meow. Okay. Here in the echo. Fine. I have mentioned all the things. Now, what I have mentioned, I have to define that. Okay. So again, what I need to do, let me mention the another animal name. Okay. So, okay. For example, I mentioned the dog here. Okay. The another animal name I have mentioned. So now all the things are done. After that, what I need to do, you can see on the methods must be public. Here, methods must be public, while abstract classes method must can be public or protected. Fine. So these are the properties that are changed here. It should be public in case of the interface. Fine. So again, we will go, and then after that, what is going to do? Then again, whatever the things I have mentioned, I have to create a list of the animal that I have mentioned. So in that case, I have to define it. For defining it, I'm just going to write cat, new cat. So it will show these values. Okay. So the two things I have mentioned, I have defined those two things. Yeah. After that, I will just write animal equal to array. And what all the things we having? Cat, comma, $dog. Okay, these two things I have defined here. Good. After that, tell the animal to like make sound. So how to tell it? For that, we have to write the condition. So here in the for loop, I am going to write the condition that animal as animal and its value should be worked for that. The code should be mentioned like that way. So in that case, I am going to write inside the code that animal make sound, the function we have mentioned. Okay, all the things are done. Let me reload it. I have forgotten something. Let me just check. Let me reload it. Now all the things are coming. We have to mention the break so that it will come in the different line. Okay, so that is how you need to create it. I hope you understood how to do this. This is one of the way. Let me give you one more. For example, I am going to write another animal name, that is lion. Fine. I will change the name as a sounds name, and then I will mention the same thing here but change the name. We'll change it to the lion, and then here also I will mention the lion. and I will mention what the name I have given. So that thing is also coming. So I hope you understand how to do it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to PHP. Thank you so much.